Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas, back on the strip here. Gonna check out the Park MGM today. The Park MGM's in a good location. It's on the west side of the strip, in between the New York Hotel and Casino in Aria. All MGM properties. It's also the only fully non-smoking hotel and casino on the strip, or perhaps even in Vegas. That includes the hotel, the casino, the restaurants. You can't smoke anywhere in this building, and that's okay with me. Sorry guys, if you're a smoker, well, you'll just have to step outside or just move along. So what do you say we get our non-smoking groove on and check this joint out, shall we? To get into the main entrance of the Park MGM, you have to walk through Eataly, one of my favorite places to stop off here on the Las Vegas Strip, so that doesn't bother me at all. Eataly, of course, known for their Italian food, their Italian groceries, the Italian wine. If it's Italian, you're going to find it in Eataly. I love visiting that place, but that's a separate video here on the New York channel. We're in Park MGM right now. And if Italian food and drink isn't your thing, hey, what's the matter you? There's plenty to eat and drink here in the Park MGM, as you can see already. There's plenty of restaurants, lounges, and nightclubs to choose from here at the Park MGM. I've never been in a non-smoking nightclub. That sounds refreshing. This is the Side Betty Grill. It's got a good diner-type food in a horrible location here at the Park MGM. Get on my good side and I'll tell you guys how to find it. Well, okay, I'll tell you right now. It's behind the sports book. I have to tell you, I've always been impressed with the amount of bars and lounges here at the Park MGM, which really isn't that big of a hotel and casino, considering it's a strip location. But regardless, the amount of bars and lounges, each with its own vibe, is very impressive and makes me very happy, of course. Bavette's is the steakhouse here. I've never eaten here. There are tons of steakhouses here along the Las Vegas Strip, as well as downtown. I'm sure Bavette's is very good, but it must be really hard to stand out here with all those other steakhouses on the strip, many of them well known for their fantastic steaks. I love the green carpeting and the white ceiling and walls. It makes the place feel very bright and airy. There is the free Aria tram, which originates here at the Park MGM, stops off, of course, at Aria, and ends up at the Bellagio. There were rumblings and rumors of the tram stopping off at Cosmopolitan now that it's an MGM property. I just don't see that happening. It's so close to the Bellagio, it just doesn't make sense. So anyway, it's free and it's very convenient, and you'll find it back here near the rear of the Park MGM Hotel and Casino. Night Up is a store loaded with Golden Knights merchandise. The Golden Knights being, of course, the hockey team here in Las Vegas. They play at the T-Mobile Arena, which is right outside the Park MGM here. The team's only a few years old and they've already won a Stanley Cup, so go Knights. Someone needs to tell the Knights they need to open a store at the Excalibur. It's only natural. Primrose is a great place for a bite, and it's not only open up to the registration front desk area here on the inside, but it also opens up to the pool outside. Hey guys, if you enjoy watching my videos, make sure you subscribe to the New York channel. If you like this video in particular, give it a thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. Thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. Did you guys see that? Deep dish pancakes. Oh my goodness, that sounds delicious. Never heard of that before. Next time I'm visiting Las Vegas, I am definitely coming over here to Primrose and getting some deep dish pancakes. That, of course, will end up on my other channel, Jersey Jeff Eats. If you didn't know, the Park MGM was formerly known as the Monte Carlo Resort and Casino. It's owned by VC Properties and operated, of course, by MGM Resorts International. It was developed by Mirage Resorts and Circus Enterprises, both later acquired by MGM. The Park MGM has a total of 2,993 rooms, including 293 Nomad rooms. Nomad is considered separate from the Park MGM with its own lobby and pool. The rooms at Nomad are designed to resemble urban apartments and are a higher price compared to those of the Park MGM. Nomad's casino features the only high-limit gaming area on the property. How can you not play slots under a sign that says "Winner, winner, chicken dinner"? The Dolby Theater here at the Park MGM is home to lots of A-list entertainment, including Bruno Mars, Lady Gaga, Maroon 5, Dave Matthews, and many, many more. Speaking of Lady Gaga, this House of Gaga is kind of like a museum to the woman, but it's never been open every time I've been here. Hey, if you'd like to support the New York channel, then just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. It does help the channel out. I appreciate your support, guys, and if you do click on that button, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming New York video. Thanks so much for your support. Speaking of which, a big shout out to Richard Santee, as well as 2 shout outs to Richard Hales, both who left a super thanks on my latest Smithville holiday video. I appreciate that, guys. And by the way, you don't need to be named Richard to leave a super thanks. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.